I am amazed, seriously. I'm blown away by the sheer number of tyres that are replaced every year due to punctures and damage. The RAC tells us that damaged tyres are by far their biggest reason for call-outs, with the increasing number of unrepaired potholes and roads littered with screws, nails and things and other debris. It's easy to see why so many tyres are damaged beyond repair.
If you're unfortunate enough to damage or puncture a run-flat tyre or a tyre that's been temporarily reinflated with a foam kit, they're almost certainly unrepairable, so even a simple puncture can result in an unexpected and costly new replacement tyre. With our Tyre Insurance policy in place, you'll enjoy market-leading benefits, including unlimited puncture repairs where they are repairable and up to 5 brand new replacements if your tyres are accidentally or maliciously damaged beyond repair.
Claiming is dead easy. Simply contact the insurer's claim team and make your way to a tyre retailer of your choice. There's no excess to pay, and unlike other policies in the market, our insurer doesn't make deductions for the wear of your damaged tyre. Cover costs from as little as 25 pence a day and is available for new and used cars, but it's only available to buy within a limited number of days after vehicle delivery. So don't delay, head to car2cover.co.uk for more information and full insurance terms and conditions. Now, we've been trusted by thousands of customers every year since 2007 to provide high quality products at low prices. You'll be reassured to hear that we are independently 5-star rated, authorised and regulated by the Financial Conduct Authority, and all policies are covered under the Financial Services Compensation Scheme. It really is as good as it gets. Thanks for watching. We hope this information has helped, and don't forget to check out our other helpful videos.